Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact research Excel component and confirming your Excel version, so you remove the correct item. Once done, make a quick backup of open workbooks. This prevents accidental loss if Excel restarts. Then open File, choose Options, and go to Add-ins. This is where Windows lists COM, Excel, and disabled items. You need that view to act, otherwise you might toggle the wrong entry and break templates that rely on it. Now you disable the research feature without harming other tools. First, pick the add-ins type from the Manage dropdown, COM, Excel, or Disabled Items, because research tools often live in COM. Next, click Go, locate the research add-in, uncheck it. If Remove is offered and you want it gone, choose Remove. Make sure to save any changes and restart Excel to clear cached components. After restart, open a test workbook to confirm the research function is inactive, yet other add-ins still work. Finish by cleaning residual components and resolving errors. If the add-in installed as a separate app, uninstall it through Control Panel or Settings. This removes background services. Once uninstalled, clear Excel cache and delete temp files to avoid stale references. If Excel misbehaves, re-enable the add-in briefly, run a repair on Office, then uninstall cleanly. This often fixes registration problems. One troubleshooting tip: if disabling causes crashes, re-enable and repair Office before attempting removal again to preserve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.